If your Windows also gets locked after entering the password incorrectly 2 or 3 times, this video is for you. This behavior is related to the account lockout policy. The same long message that says, "Your account is locked." Hi, I'm Ollie from the SciPush channel. If you also encounter this long message after the new Windows update, just by entering the password incorrectly 2 or 3 times, which says, "The referenced account is currently locked out and may not be logged onto," this video is exactly for you. This problem happened to me, as well as to many users. Today I will explain the reason and completely solve it. In new Windows updates, a security policy called account lockout has become stricter. That is, if you enter the password incorrectly several times, Windows temporarily locks your account. This behavior is different in the Pro and Home versions, and the solution is also different. When does it happen? When you have recently updated your Windows. I just installed this Windows and did not update it. First, I want to show you the unupdated version of Windows. To do this, press the Windows and R keys at the same time and type WinVer. This is my version of Windows that has not yet been updated. I want to enter the wrong password a few times with this Windows that has not yet been updated to see if my account is locked. So I sign out. And I enter the password. I enter the wrong password. Well, see here it stopped. And it stays like this. Now I restart the device. Well, the device restarted. I enter the wrong password again. And now I enter the correct password. Let's see if it entered without any problems. Well, my Windows was without updates. Now I'm updating Windows. So I'll pause the video to update it and come back. So Windows has been updated. Let's look at the Windows version together. Press the Windows and R keys at the same time and type WinVer. This is the updated version of Windows. I sign out and enter the wrong password again. One, 2, 3. Well, we see this message together. The referenced account is currently locked out and may not be logged onto. And even if I enter the correct password, I can't log in anymore. What should we do? Usually, Windows says in new updates that we have to wait 30 minutes and log in again. So I wait 30 minutes and try to log in again. 30 minutes have passed. I enter the password. And I log in. We see that it was logged in. So how do we solve the problem now? In Windows Pro and Windows Home, the solution to this problem is different. In Windows Pro, we have to go to Local Security Policy. Well, to do this, we press the Windows and R keys at the same time and type secpol.msc. This window will open for us, which is Local Security Policy. Security Settings. Account Policies section. Account Lockout Policy. So here we have a few options. Look, the account lockout duration section is set to 30 minutes. This means after the number of times we are allowed to enter a password. If we do not enter the correct password, we have to wait 30 minutes before we can enter the password again. In the next section, the account lockout threshold is set to 3. This means that we can enter the wrong password 3 times. After that 30 minutes, we have to wait until we can enter the password again. In the next section, click on Enable. If we disable this, this option will be completely removed, but it is not recommended at all because it compromises the security of your system. So, leave this enabled. But we will change the other options. For example, we will change this 3 times to 6 times. I usually set it to 5 or 6, but now if you like, you can set it to 10. That means we can enter the password incorrectly 10 times. In the next section, instead of 30, set it to 5 minutes or 10 minutes, which we will set to 5 for now. Well, that's it. We can enter the wrong password 10 times, and if we enter it wrong 10 times, Windows will lock our user account for 5 minutes so that we can enter the password again. Okay, this is the solution in Windows Pro, but it is different in Windows Home. In Windows Home, we do not have the local security policy to do this. So what should we do? We have 2 ways to solve this problem in Windows Home. The first way is from the registry. We press the Windows and our keys at the same time and type regedit. This is the Windows registry page. So let's go to this path you are looking at. H key. Local machine. System. Current control set. Control. LSA. In this section, we need to create a value. Right-click on this empty space, New, DWORD 32-bit. Type the same way I type, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Limit blank password use. And enter. We open it. This value should be 0. OK. And this will disable the strict account lockout policy. But the second method. The second method is with PowerShell. Press the Windows button and type PowerShell. Right-click on Windows PowerShell and click Run as administrator. And here. This is PowerShell, it's like a command prompt. Type what I write. Net accounts. / Lockout threshold. :0. Enter. Well, it gave a successful message and that's it. This command does exactly the same thing we did in the Pro version. Only through the command line. If your Windows was Pro, use the local security policy. If it was Home, use the registry or PowerShell. Both versions are fully tested and will solve the problem forever. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, like and subscribe to my channel.